Welcome. Today we're talking about a project we worked on that included the insurance industry, health, games, gamification, and not unrelated, how we increased engagement on an app that grew to 10 million downloads.
Omne was a huge project that we worked on in the company. It was a React Native application. It was very interesting because we had to develop multiple different sections of the application where the user needs to interact with the app. It was really interesting how they wanted to make the user engage with their insurance app that also had a lot of engagement features. Like listening to music and playing games and stuff like that. Most of my tasks were related to handling the logic for the music players, for the drawing section, or for the reward system, and also tracking the user activity on the application. An estimate was that about 500,000 users were already on the application at the time that we were still on the project. So it was a big project.
So we worked for one of the biggest company in the Southeast Asia, FWD. They developed this application Omne, which essentially is an app meant for their customer base. And the goal of the app was to keep them engaged even in the realm of something that has nothing to do with the services and products that they offer. It's actually to keep them engaged into everyday tasks. It's sort of this is what I called Omne. I'm not sure about the etymology, but I know that there is some maybe Latin there that it's kind of meant to suggest that this is your app for everything. You want to listen to music, you can come here. You want to watch videos, you can come here. You want to play video games, you can come here. You want to check your health and so on and so forth, you can come here. And then they were giving all of these services. So they were very good because they managed to actually create something that can engage the user with fun activities, but at the same time, giving them some way of checking health and other important things. They also managed to suggest products because they are insurance company. I was very much involved with the DigiCheck and the health part of the system. So there were like two main areas. The one was actually using AI, and it was meant to record your face. Essentially, you get a camera, then you would get the recording. You had to stare into the camera for about 30 seconds, and then the system would just catch everything, all your facial traits and then the colors and the shadows. And that it was sending all of this information to a server where a AI model was actually processing it. And then it was giving you a score.
To recap and to add details, we gave people reasons to be engaged in the app. We gave them games. We gave them gamification. We gave them coloring. They had live esports, fitness videos, podcasts, and more. So we gave them a bunch of reasons to be engaged in the app. And then in addition to that, we gamified it. So with the gamification was rewards for doing all of those things. So say generate an artificial intelligence image in the app. When you share that image with someone else, you get a reward for that. When you play the games, you get rewards for that. And you can use those rewards to get discounts on products, making people more likely to buy products. You can use those rewards alternatively to get, say, in-game power-ups. So all of this increases the engagement and increases the time that people spend in the app, and then the app can show them advertising. The app can encourage them to buy things as well. So people enjoy what they're doing. People have fun in the app, and they're more likely to make the business money. So it's a fantastic, very intuitive thing and features to add to the app. Speaking of which, adding all of those things, adding artificial intelligence, adding podcasts, adding esports streaming, also means that the Google Play Store will show the app when people search for those things as well. So rather than just showing the app when people search for insurance, which might be the standard insurance app way of doing things, the app comes up organically at other times as well. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, users don't even need to be customers in order to have fun in the app. So some people might encounter the engagement portion first. They might encounter the games first, the esports first, the fitness videos first, and then see the insurance products. If you want to find out more, go to lastingdynamics.com or comment below. You can kind of see how the app got to 10 million downloads.